All right, so here we are in front of my beloved West Indian bay leaf. This is to take nothing away from the version we know from the Mediterranean, but it is not at all the same thing. It comes from a tree which is not surprisingly similar to cinnamon, allspice, and clove. And it's got the flavor of eucalyptus, a little bit of, a kind of a citrusy thing going on. There's, cloves as well. Hence, those perfumes that jump out at us. In the West Indies, like I say, be it soup, be it saute, be it some kind of a stew, even desserts, this baby finds himself very useful in there. People who are used, on the other hand, to the Mediterranean version are usually somewhat taken aback because this thing does pack a punch. And, it takes some getting used to know that bay leaf actually is supposed to have flavor. This one does. We just are so motivated to use it in anything that is resembling West Indian cooking because it's part of that trio. If you don't have your thyme and you don't have your bay leaf and you don't have like your nutmeg and stuff like that, then you're out of the zone. And we just encourage everybody to enjoy themselves that little flavor of eucalyptus, thyme, cloves. I mean, it's all there in one leaf. It's the secret weapon to all of our West Indian blends, right? You gotta have it. It's that simple. Cha.